How to record audio only on OBS. What is up, guys? In today's tutorial, we're going to look at how to easily record only your audio on OBS. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your OBS. This is going to be your layout. I'm currently using OBS to screen record this video as well, so I'm just going to be able to show you guys how to record the audio. As you can see, it's picking up my voice very easily, but along with this, it's also picking up the screen recording. Now I have enabled this display capture. So if I just click on this button, the screen is going to go blank. And if I just click again, it's going to come back. So this display capture is capturing everything on my screen. Now what you want to do is delete all of these. So I have this window capture. I can just remove it because I'm not using it. You can do the same for any other sources if you have it. Then you can click on this plus icon to add a source. Now you want to create an audio input capture. So go ahead and click on this one. You can name the audio input capture. So if it's for anything specific, you can name it, but I'll just leave it as it is and then click on OK. Now it will ask you to select your microphone. So if you have multiple microphones plugged into your device, you can select whichever one you want. I'll just leave it on default for now and click on OK. Now the audio input has been enabled. So what I can do is just go ahead and turn off the display capture or just completely delete it. But the audio capture is still gonna continue and record my audio. And once your recording is done, you can just click on stop recording and you should be good to go. So that is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.